Hi everyone, we're going to find the value of the discriminant and describe the nature of the roots for 12x squared plus 2x minus 4 equals 0. So let's go ahead and start on that. My a is 12. My equation's already in standard form, so I'm just writing down my coefficients here. B is 2 and c is negative 4. So we're going to see if our b squared minus 4ac, is it positive, negative, or does it equal 0? So let's substitute in our values. So b is 2 squared minus 4 times 12 times negative 4. So this is going to be 4 plus 16. This is plus because you have two negatives make a positive. So 16 times 12, or you can say 48 times 4 is going to be 192. And this is going to equal 196. Well, 196 is greater than 0. So my discriminant is positive. That means we have two distinct real roots as opposed to imaginary roots or one distinct real roots. So we have two solutions, real solutions. Now let's use our quadratic formula and solve for this. Again, my a is 12 and my b is 2. So we have x equals, and we want negative b, so that's negative 2 plus or minus square root of 196 divided by 2 times 12. All right, square root of 196 is 14. So we're going to look at our solutions. We have x equals negative 2 plus 14 divided by 24, or x equals negative 2 minus 14 divided by 24. This gives me x equals 12 divided by 24, which equals 1/2, or x equals negative 16 divided by 24, which gives me negative 2/3. Whoops, sorry about that. I'm getting too close to the end here. So I'll just put it here. We have x, let me see what I'm going to use. X equals 1/2, or x equals negative 2/3. Negative 2/3 is just that reduced. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.